car noises. They're the one doing nothing.
All right, what's up? It's been a little while since I've done an update. So everything in the shop right now has got stuff going on with it. If you see this, it's because I figured out how to blur what's going on in my editing app. Braden's car is under wraps. That's a little bit of a secret, but he does have the interior out of it again. So there's a couple of big changes happening on this thing over the winter and spring probably. We'll see what it takes, but yeah, so big changes happening with this car. Serafino's E36. It's officially got a little wiggle stick in it. They're still trying to work out a couple of bugs, but in the meantime, he's painted the calipers. This has all been painted. He's waiting on bushings for it right now. Then this will be going back in the car. Yeah, it's nothing crazy. He's had some brackets welded up in there by our buddy Jason. But this is, hopefully this will be out next spring as well. And then that brings us to this thing, which is pretty far apart right now. The wheel wells are cut out so we can tub it. It didn't need it. I finally got the tires mounted on the Bogarts, got it on the ground a couple of weeks ago. I'll put a little picture of that up here, but yeah, I'm still waiting on color on the 9-inch, but I had no clearance issues at all. I'll be completely honest, between the inside of the wheel well and the tire on the Bogarts, but I need to lower the truck 2 inches to kind of level out the rake, and we were worried about it possibly hitting up in this area here, but figured the best thing to do would be to just eliminate those worries. So we cut the wheel wells out. Braden's clecoed this wheel well together just for a rough estimate of what's going on. Instead of getting just sheet metal and building tubs, Braden's decided that he's going to use the factory tub and just kind of extend it and make it fit where he needs to. But on this side, it's cut all the way into the frame rail already. So, yeah. But on top of that, all of the interior has been ripped out of this thing. Hopefully, I'll start getting it back together. We got the Tahoe console in it. And we're going to build a little floor back here and some slight change of plans and everything. But it's coming together. I got the last piece of carbon fiber I wanted to match all of the interior in here. The glove box now matches. It's nothing too crazy, but next on the to-do list after this thing's back on the ground is I'll be ordering the front Bogarts and 5-lug swapping the front, so everything will match up. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much all we've got going on right now. Nothing too crazy, but we've got progress, so that's good.
There we go. There we go. Now we're making some fucking progress, bro. Let's do this front flip real quick. We get a fucking hack gutter. Yeah.